Hello guys, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I appreciate you, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. So if you're ready to really take that break from relaxers and you really want to give your hair that big chop, you're in the right place because in Wendy Styles we are here to bring short natural hairstyles for black women that are trending. So in this channel you'll be seeing different kind of hairstyle like the tapered, the boys cut, the bar, the finger waves, the afros, finger coils, the puff, the blowout, the twister, so many natural hairstyles that will really give you that confidence you want. All you just need is just an inch of hair. So if you're really bold, or you can go for this beautiful tapered haircut I have for you guys, or the teeny weeny afro, or you want to get edgy, it's a new week and you really want to try some haircut that will really make you look beautiful, or try some faded size, some surgical lines and pattern, then I want you guys please to watch this video to the end because you're not going to regret watching this video. We have the cutest of styles. So when going on natural with your natural hair, always have in mind that moisture is the key. So you always need to often condition your hair, like we have the leave-in conditioner, like we have the moisturizer, and some of the natural products that has the olives and coconut oils. So we can have all the things in the meal kit. The meal kit costs about $7. It comes in different kits like the moisturizer, the conditioner, the shampoo, and the coil enhancer, and many more. So some of them range for about $7, some for $15, some for $20. So depending on the particular one you want, but I always recommend you get the shampoo, the leave-in conditioner, and the coil enhancer, or if possible the mousse. It will give you those popping coils you are seeing on the screen. So we have the link in my description box on how you can get them online, maybe by getting them through Amazon or getting them through the market around you, or you can get them through AliExpress. So you can also see some order of the links to this barber, which is Barber Diego. Yeah, his name is Diego. He's based in Brazil. You can also have his link for those that are in Brazil to really link up with him to give you those beautiful short hairstyles you are seeing. Then I also have also some other barbers like Step the Barber, Coco, that stays in Trinidad Tobago. Step the Barber is in Atlanta, Georgia. He's also the CEO of the Kings and Coils. So in case maybe you can't get the meal product in your city, you can opt for this Kings and Coils. Kings and Coils ranges from within the ranges of $15 to $20 or so. So these are not expensive product. They are product within your reach, but it will give you this popping and beautiful coils you are seeing. Even the Kings and Coils has this pre-lightener you can use for different colors. Maybe you want the blonde, you want the platinum, you want the auburn, the oxblood, the ombre. Depending on the colors you want, you can get it on Kings and Coils. We also have the dogs, other products you can try, ranging from the cost. So just everything ranges from $7 to $20. You will get them in your house, and sometimes you can just have your cut at the salon, then go home to really call the hair yourself to always look good. So just always try to flaunt your natural beauty, by yourself. And I would like you guys to check out those inspiring short haircuts that will always complement your face shape, and is a low maintenance short haircut that will always make you feel hydrated and moisturized for that healthier looking finish. I appreciate my returning subscribers. I appreciate my new subscribers. Stay locked to Wendy Styles for more beautiful short haircuts coming your way. God bless you.
You deserve more than I can give. You deserve. I'm gonna be promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Ooh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve, deserve. You deserve. I'm gonna be. I promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Ooh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve, deserve. You deserve. I'm gonna be. I promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Ooh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here